Getting hit with the secure boot is not enabled error or security violation error in FC26. If you are stuck with the security violation message and can't launch the game, you are in the right place. Let's fix it step by step. No guesswork, no wasted time. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If FC26 is blocking you with a secure boot error, we will show you exactly how to enable it. Avoid system level issues and get back into the game safely. Method 1. Enable secure boot. The first thing you need to do is enable secure boot on your Windows PC. Type system information on the start menu and open the top option. Check the secure boot state and see if it is on. If it is on, then move to the next solution. If it is off, then you will have to open the BIOS and enable it. BIOS settings are different for every motherboard type. Here, we have shown how to enable it on the BIOS we have. The steps should be similar, so try to follow as shown. Now here is how to enable secure boot. Each PC has a different BIOS key. The general BIOS keys are F1, F2, F9, F10 or Del, but they will differ as per the motherboard. If you don't know the BIOS key, check the manufacturer's manual and keep it handy. Now follow this process to enable secure boot in Windows 11. Keep pressing the BIOS key to enter BIOS. You can also enter BIOS from Windows settings. Press Win+I to enter settings, then select System, then Recovery. Next, click on the Restart Now button beside the Advanced Startup option. From the Advanced option, select Troubleshoot. Next, select Advanced Options, then select UEFI firmware settings, then Restart. This should help you to enter BIOS or the UEFI settings. Then select Boot System Configuration or Security tab. Now look for the Secure Boot option. Now here, you will have to select the Enable option. Boot into Windows 11 and press the Windows key. Enter System and select System Information from the options. From the System Summary tab, search for Secure Boot. If you see it is on, you have successfully enabled the secure boot. Method 2. Repair, update and reinstall the EA anti-cheat. The next thing you can do is reinstall the EA anti-cheat. Go to FC26 installation folder. For Steam users, open Steam library and right-click on the game. Select the Manage option and click on Browse Local Files. Now open the installer folder and then open the EA anti-cheat folder. Right-click on the EA anti-cheat installer and run it as an administrator. Select FC26 from the drop-down option and click on Uninstall. You can also update and repair it and check if that works for you. Once it's done, install it from the EA website. After the installation finishes, start the game and check if the issue persists. Method 3. Verify the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause these issues. So verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and downloads the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 4. Run the game with administrative privileges. Next, you can run the game with administrative privileges. Sometimes the game file may require administrative privileges to run. Here is how you can do so. Right-click on the application you are using to launch the game. Next, select Show More options. Open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 5. Try a different compatibility mode. Another thing you can do is change the compatibility mode. To do that, open the Game Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode for option. Select a Windows version and click on Apply and then on OK. Method 6. Update graphics drivers and run the game on the dedicated graphics card. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like FC26. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key +R to launch the Run utility. Type devmgmt.msc in the run command box and hit enter or OK. Expand the display adapters section. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so run the game with the dedicated graphics card. Method 7. Allow the game through the firewall. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save the changes. Finally, you can relaunch the game file and check if it is loading properly. Method 8. Close unnecessarily running programs. If you have any other anti-cheat services running, close it from Task Manager. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill. Then exit the window. You can also uninstall the anti-cheat. Method 9. Reinstall FC26. If none of the methods shown could fix the issue, there might be some corrupt installation files causing this issue. Uninstall the game, then download and reinstall it. This can often resolve persistent loading problems caused by corrupted files. And there you have it. The methods to fix secure boot is not enabled on this machine. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.